my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today I'm here to do an unboxing for Wiskf, and I just would like to say that I hope you will bear with me because this is the first time I've done a face-to-face video, and I have tried every which way possible to keep the reflection off my glasses, but well, you know how computers are in glasses. Anyway, so I was contacted by Wiskf to see if I would do this, and I took a look at their website and I saw their great products, and I was like, yes, absolutely, I will. So I received 2 items, and let me go ahead and show you the first one because it's really amazing. I opened the package to make sure, you know, where it was from and what it was. So I did know what each item was this much before now. So let's go ahead and open it up. This it looks amazing to me already, you see, because I already know what the picture is going to be. This is the apron. Let me see. Can you see the sea turtles? Isn't that amazing? It's gorgeous. It's linen. And the straps are just as sturdy of a material as the apron is. So I love that. The let me try it on. The neck part is nice and big as far as, you know, it doesn't come way up here. So I like that. This is not an iron-on. It's made right into the linen. It's a silk screen. I don't know why I keep going the opposite way because of the camera, I think. Let me stand up here. You can see, I'm sorry about the neighbor's dog too, of course. The ties are here. Now, of course, now I'm only 4'11", so we're just going to have to bear that in mind. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. And you can see, let me hold the apron out, the whole thing. And it ties around your waist, or in my case, around your rear end. And it's probably supposed to go down to your knees, but to me it goes down to mid-calf. Let me say this, that is perfect for me when I make books, which is what I normally do, and I'm using all of the fixatives and inks and all those kind of things. I don't want to get them in my lap or on my pants either. So I'm very happy that the apron goes all the way down. And I just would like to say I like the fact that it leaves you open enough on the sides that you're not feeling like you've got this big thing on around you. It's kind of funny seeing a big turtle head right on my chest. But I love it. I love sea turtles, and I love this apron. I think you would too. So now let me sit back down. The second thing that I got was a tote, which is probably what they're more known for doing. And it's also sea turtle, which I know because, well, I picked it out. So let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. This is very nice. It's got the sea turtle on it as well. Plus, it's got some coral and a starfish and a shell up here. Whoops, on the other side, up here. I'm not used to working backwards. In my work, I normally just look straight down and people are just looking at my hands. So anyway, the canvas is nice. And it's also appears to be linen, and the handles, oh, they're double sewn on. You can see right here, so that it's going to be nice and sturdy for you to carry your stuff in. Now me, I'm planning on taking it to craft fairs and putting arts and crafts supplies in it. So I'm glad that it's a good size. You could see it's a good size. And with the sturdy handles and the beautiful picture, I will be absolutely thrilled to take it anywhere with me that I might go shopping or even just to get the mail. Impress the neighbors. Okay, well, I can highly recommend these items. I'm leaving my apron on. I'm going to go back to work and make some more books. And I want to thank you for joining me in this video. And I will see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for me. A second for you. And a day for me. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.